All right, guys, this is my new 2023 Kia Forte GT 6-speed manual. In my opinion, the most fun way to have it, although the DCT is a lot of fun too. But just wanted something fun to get around really good on gas, but still has all the amenities that I'm looking for. I bought it 5 days ago and I already have 289 miles on it. And it's everything that I want. It's a lot of fun. I've had it once before, missed it, got it again. It's the whole family. And we're gonna put a few things on it today. Okay, so the first thing we're putting on the car today are gonna be LED license plate lights. Should be as easy as taking out the Phillips screws here and here, pulling it right out, and plugging the new ones back in. And the one I have today is Oxido LED lights. I'll have the link for this in the description. There's not a lot of videos on this on YouTube showing how to do it or what lights they use, but these should be very bright. All right, so once you take out the Phillips screw, the case should just come out. This is gonna be inside the casing displayed right here. You just twist it to the left and it comes right out. The LED should plug right into here, and it's as simple as putting it back into the casing, tightening it back up, putting the casing back in here, and putting back in the Phillips. We're gonna follow that for the other one. So that's old versus new. Halogen versus LED. Makes it look a lot more premium and a lot more brighter at night. And there you go. You'll see a big difference at night, but it looks a lot better than stock. All right, next thing I'm gonna be putting on is the Govee RGB car strip lights, the inside of the car. There's an app that comes with it where you can actually control what color of the lights you want to put. I have this on a lot of my other cars, and it's pretty cheap. You just basically use the attached adhesive to put it right under the dome, right under the passenger side. And what I do, I have the cloth underneath the seats, is I put them on the sides. So we'll see how they look. It should be really easy to install. The instructions are very straightforward. All right, so this comes with a bunch of zip ties and the main unit, which is just all attached as one since it wires around the car. Uses 3M, I don't know if that's real, but because it's from China, but does the job really well. I had it on my Honda Accord last time. It basically just plugs into your 12 volt. And I honestly never had to use the app, because if I have the buttons right there to control everything, why use the app if you know I can do it on the fly? But anyways, you just wire it according to how your car is designed. I just hide all the wires in between the plastics and stuff. It comes out pretty cool. I mean, you can't beat it for like 20 bucks, so. I don't think I'm gonna record myself doing it all, because it's pretty straightforward. You know, I'm probably gonna put the main unit next to where the shift knob is, and just wire everything accordingly and hide it in between the plastics. And yeah, should be really straightforward. Let's do it. All right, so this is the finishing touch. So the final look. LED license plate light. I mean, it looks awesome. And then check this out. That is a sight. I absolutely love that. You could change it any color you want: red, blue, green, white, orange, literally anything. But I think this complements it well, especially with the purple on the screen there. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have the links to both of these in the description below, and it'd be a nice upgrade to your Forte. See you later, guys.